All you need for the great all-rounder, products from Continental for the Ford 1-liter EcoBoost. Hi guys, today we're looking at a very special engine from Ford, the 1-liter Ford EcoBoost. It can be found in the Focus and Fiesta as well as in the Connect van. On the market since 2012, it features high-pressure fuel injection, turbocharging and a world first for a 3-cylinder engine in the form of cylinder deactivation technology. The engine is also used as the base unit in Focus and Fiesta models with mild hybrid drive systems. We have everything you could possibly need for carrying out maintenance on the belt drive of this multi-award-winning engine. Let's take a quick look at it all. First, the general timing belt for the main belt drive and also the timing belt for the oil pump. And here we have everything combined with all the deflection and tensioner pulleys in our timing belt kit. Now let's look at the multi-V-belt. This comes in a multi-V-belt kit, also for mild hybrid applications, complete with tensioner. Moving on, we have our water pump that is available separately. And then the overrunning alternator pulley along with a variety of fitting kits to make sure that everything goes smoothly during maintenance work. This engine has been fitted in many popular Ford models since 2012, and these will gradually be coming into the workshop for maintenance. As you can see, our product portfolio and the toolboxes V09 and V10 ensure you are ideally equipped for working on the belt drive. Okay? See you next time in the workshop.